Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki, and I am so glad to have you here always. Today we are discussing hygiene in the wilderness. And by hygiene, I don't just mean one aspect of it. I mean pretty much anything that you have in your bathroom that helps you stay clean and smell better. So it's not specific to, you know, toilet paper or soap or any of those things. And how do you take care of your hygiene in the wilderness? This is pretty cool. So let's find out.
Let's talk about wilderness items used for hygiene. Surviving in the wilderness requires adaptability and resourcefulness, especially when it comes to maintaining hygiene. While it's always important to practice leave no trace principles, natural items can be harnessed for wilderness hygiene. In this video, we're going to focus on the hygienic use of wilderness items and how they can help with personal cleanliness. These items also have numerous other uses, but the goal here is to explore their potential benefits in terms of hygiene. Let's take a look at charcoal. Activated charcoal can prove invaluable for filtering impurities from water, offering a makeshift solution for wilderness purification. Here is a basic activated charcoal recipe that you can use in a pinch. You'll want to use hardwoods like oak or hickory, broken down into small pieces or crushed. Build a fire using regular wood and let it burn down to embers. You'll then place the hardwood onto the embers, letting it char but not burn. Once the wood is glowing, cover it with a layer of ash to restrict the oxygen to that hardwood. Let the wood carbonize. This may take a few hours. You will see less smoke as this process happens. Be sure to let the charcoal you have created cool down completely before using. Because of its absorbing properties, charcoal can be used as a natural toothpaste, promoting dental hygiene in the wild. If you mix charcoal with water to form a paste, it can be used as a soap, a deodorant, and a hair cleanser. Just apply, rub it in, and then rinse off. Animal fat, both for nourishing and cleansing. It makes a great soap substitute. Clean and safe animal fat can serve as a soap substitute, aiding in hand hygiene by removing dirt and grease. Actually, animal or vegetable fat, along with leached wood ash, are ingredients in the making of lye soap. In very dry conditions, animal fat can double as a natural moisturizer, preventing skin from chapping. And what can you do with clay if you find any? Clay can act as a natural deodorant, helping to absorb moisture and neutralize odors in the absence of conventional products. Creating a face mask with clay helps in removing impurities from the skin, promoting facial hygiene in the wilderness. Clay also makes a great dry shampoo. Pine needles and moss. Pine needles can be fashioned into an improvised toothbrush, offering a primitive yet effective dental care solution. And this is a very good one to know. Moss, if it is clean and uncontaminated, can be used as a natural substitute for toilet paper. Moss is a great natural absorbent material, making it a good option for feminine hygiene. Pine needles contain natural oils with antimicrobial properties. Boil pine needles in water to create a fragrant and mildly antiseptic solution. You can use this pine-infused water for washing your hands, your face, or even as a body wash. Natural oils and aloe vera. Some nuts and seeds have natural oils in them, and when you crush them, they can function as an improvised hair conditioner. Aloe vera, if you have some available, can prove invaluable for soothing sunburns or irritated skin. Natural fibers and birch bark. Strips of natural fibers like plant stems or fibrous tree bark can be repurposed as dental floss, of course, as well as many other uses. Bundled or layered plant fibers can also be used as absorbent padding for hygiene purposes. Birch twigs or fibers from certain plants can be used as a natural toothbrush. Chewing on the end or fraying the fibers can create a makeshift brush for cleaning teeth.
I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me as always. Let me know what your thoughts are. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Also, check out our community page, please. We do all kinds of fun stuff on there. I do quizzes every day. We post cool survival infographics. We do funny posts, whatever you might like. It's there, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.